charge, boy. Yeah. What about the cobalt? So nothing we can do about that now. But if the thing gets them, it might explode. Well, then we'll be the first to explode a cobalt bomb. Now clear out of here. Boy, get out of the charge. Come on. Wait a minute.
There's the lid on gate. Wait till we see it, Tom.
How about that, sir?